Good morning, everyone. Okay, I'll be discussing to you about EET Electrical Circuits 1 orientation. So, nag-start naman mo sa LMS, but I'll still give you an orientation about our subject. So, for our course description, this course aims to equip students with the fundamental concepts of circuit laws, theorems, and techniques used in electrical circuit analysis and transient analysis. The course topics include circuit elements, electrical energy and power, network reduction techniques, Kirchhoff's laws, cell and battery circuit analysis methods such as mesh, nodal, and network theorems, such as superposition, Thevenin's, and Norton's equivalent circuits. It also studies transient analysis of the series RL and series RC circuits. RL means resistor, inductor, and RC means resistor, capacitor circuits, and introductory concepts of alternating current. It allows the students to verify the laws of theorems discussed through experimentation and project construction. The course topics include experimental determination of the characteristics of the different circuit configurations, electrical power, Ohm's laws, Kirchhoff's laws, superposition, Thevenin's equivalent circuit, and maximum power transfer. So, muna siya ang course description, ang inyong overall nga ma-encounter throughout this subject. Okay, number of units for lecture and laboratory. As for the lecture, there is 3 units, so that is equivalent to 3 hours. And then laboratory, 1 unit. The 1 unit siya, but ang 1 unit sa laboratory is 3 hours. So, every week you have 6 hours. 6 hours classes in this subject. Number of contact hours per week. So, munang ngayon, lecture 3 hours, laboratory 3 hours. Prerequisite or co-requisite. So, physics for engineers, and then calculus 2. Course outcome. Interpret the basic circuit concepts such as voltage, current, power, energy, current range, and its effect on person, etc. Okay, you should know how to interpret circuits, no, that involves voltage, current, power, energy, current. Number 2, use node and mesh analysis techniques for the analysis of linear time invariant circuits. Okay, so mga techniques in solving circuits. Number 3, analyze circuits by utilizing various techniques and theorems. So, not just interpreting, but you should analyze to solve the various problems. No, kung gipangita ang voltage, current, power, or energy, so utilize the techniques and theorems discussed in this subject. Number 4, interpret the operation of capacitors and inductors and analyze both transient and steady-state response of first-order circuits. Okay, interpret the operation. So, unsa man ang capacitor, inductor, what are their roles, what are their operations. Number 5, analyze second-order circuits. And number 6, display a professional commitment to group work through cooperative activities. Okay, course outline. So, DC or AC sources and electrical circuit components, voltage and current laws. Kaduha, nodal and mesh analysis. So, under this topic, there are general nodal analysis and general mesh analysis. Number 3, circuit analysis techniques. What are those techniques? So, they are linearity and superposition, source transformation, Thevenin and Norton equivalent circuits, maximum power transfer, delta Y conversion, circuits with controlled sources, and the ideal op-amp. And then number 4, characteristics of energy storing elements. What are those energy storing elements? Those are capacitors and inductors. So we'll discuss about capacitors and capacitance, inductors and inductance. Number 5, analysis of RL and RC circuits. So what are those? Source-free RL and RC circuits. Letter B, driven RL and RC circuits. Number 6, analysis of RLC circuits. So analysis of circuit na resistor, inductor, and capacitor in one circuit. So sa mga subtopics ani, source-free series and parallel RLC circuits. And B, complete response of RLC circuits. Number 7, sinusoidal steady state analysis in the frequency domain. So under this topic, we have the phasor concept and phasor diagram, concept of impedance and admittance, C, nodal and mesh analysis. So teaching and learning technique strategies. So discussion, demonstration, problem solving. So since we are in a situation where we can't meet face to face, but we'll only be having an online classes, so we will have an asynchronous classes. So I'll be doing a recording of the topics or the discussion, and inyo lang i-download or mag-online stream lang mo for the video para maka-access mo sa discussion. As for the demonstration, so there will be practice problems that I will be posting. So based on the source or reference that we'll be using for the subject, I'll be posting it in the LMS, and there are problem solving. Assessment strategies, there will be written, oral, demonstration. As of now, I've given you the written and demonstration. Sa oral, I will be giving you an oral exam also. So our book reference, Fundamentals of Electric Circuits by Matthew N. and Sadico, 3rd edition. I already posted it in the LMS by chapter, so you already accessed the chapter 1, that is the basic circuits, basic concepts of circuits, I think. So you'll start there in your study, and I will also be making videos for this various videos for this subject for you to fully understand the subject, because I understand that this subject is not easy. So for your attendance, so since we are in a pandemic, so I am flexible with your attendance. So but if there's no pandemic, this should be the basis for attendance. 3 consecutive absences means drop. 5 non-consecutive absences means drop. 15 minutes late means absent. You can be excused in the discussions if you can provide medical certificate of being sick. Absent in quizzes or exams means 0 points. No excuses unless provided with medical certificate of being sick. But since nalagay sa pandemic, so dili na nato siya sundon. So no, naging flexible ta when it comes to our attendance. But here in the passing grade, di ta mahimong flexible ani. Mao gid siya ato ang passing grade. For the quizzes and assignments, it will be 20% of your overall grade. Oral participation, 20%. Project, 20%. Attendance, 20%. Major examination, that is 20%. But since naging flexible to sa attendance, so attendance will be lowered in percentage. Lowered or not considered na sa percentage. Anyway, mao ni siya ang breakdown sa grading system. So, to pass this subject, you must achieve a 60% grade. 60% for all these breakdowns. So, if 20% ang isa ka breakdown, for example, quizzes and assignments, you should have 12%. Kaya 12%, that is 60% sa 20%. So, total na siya. So, overall grade should be, passing grade will be 60%. Okay, any question? If you have a question, you can just chat in the group chat or PM me if you have questions. That's